for gardeners seeking effective and environmentally friendly solution for pest and disease control. Biological fungicides and pesticides offer a very promising solution. In this video, we are going to explore 6 most popular and one of the most effective natural compounds and microorganisms that can be used as biological pesticides and fungicides to control diseases in pests in your garden and are already allowed for use in most of the countries.
Bacillus thuringiensis is highly effective against caterpillars, including tomato hornworms, cabbage loopers, and corn earworms. Use it when caterpillar populations are present and feeding on your plants. How to use it? Mix Bacillus thuringiensis powder or liquid concentrate with water according to the instructions. Apply as a foliar spray, making sure to cover both sides of the leaves where caterpillars are present. Reapply every 7-10 days or even as needed if you have more caterpillars. Bacillus subtilis is beneficial for controlling fungal diseases such as powdery mildew, grey mold, and leaf rot. In my opinion, everybody has to have Bacillus subtilis in their garden. Apply preventatively or at the first signs of infection. So how to use it? Mix Bacillus subtilis with water according to the product instructions. It can be sold in a liquid form, as a powder, or a paste. Apply as a foliar spray, ensuring complete coverage of affected plants. Repeat applications every 7-14 days or as needed, especially during periods of high disease pressure, which is generally humid days. Trichoderma species are effective against soil-borne fungal pathogens, including damping off, root rot, and wilt diseases. Use during transplanting or when preparing the soil for planting, also throughout the year. How to use? Apply trichoderma as a seed treatment or by mixing it into the soil. Follow the product instructions for appropriate application rates. Reapply during subsequent plantings or if disease symptoms persist. Beauveria bassiana is beneficial for controlling common garden pests like aphids, whiteflies, and thrips. Use when pest populations are present and actively feeding on your plants or throughout the growing season. How to use? Apply Beauveria bassiana as a dust or spray, ensuring thorough coverage of affected plants. Follow the product instructions for application rates and frequency. Apply early in the morning or late in the evening when pests are most active. Metarhizium species are effective against various garden pests, including beetles, grasshoppers, and weevils. Apply them preventatively and also when or if pests are present and feeding on the plants. How to use? Apply as a dust or spray targeting pests directly or in spring or autumn adding to wet soil to allow this fungi to grow. Follow the product instructions for application rates and timing. Ivermectins are ideal for controlling pests such as aphids, spider mites, caterpillars, and thrips. Apply as prophylaxis or when pest populations are present and causing damage to your plants. How to use? Mix ivermectins with water according to the instructions. Apply as a foliar spray, ensuring thorough coverage of affected plants. Reapply every 7-14 days or as necessary.
By incorporating natural insecticides and fungicides into your gardening practices, you can effectively prevent and manage your pests and diseases in the garden without the need for chemical solutions. Understanding when and how to use each of the biological fungicides and pesticides is important for achieving good results. As with any other pesticides or insecticides, you cannot just use them once and hope that it will achieve the result. The most important is regular application as described by the manufacturer to ensure that you capture your pests and diseases earlier.